Hi, my name's Nicole Kurtz, and this is my Week 4 Interactive Advanced Concept presentation. So today we made the fireproof balloons. With me, I used two balloons, one that I filled with water and a little bit of air, and one that was just air. And then I also used a lighter, or you can use any type of fire that you can use. And now I'm going to show you me doing the experiment of the fireproof balloon. Today we're making the fireproof balloons. So with me I have two balloons, my lighter, and then water from the sink. So my first balloon I'm just going to blow up. Now I'm going to put the fire under it, and it should just burst the balloon right away. See, it just bursted the balloon. You can see the hole where the fire. Now this one I'm going to put around my faucet. I'm going to fill with a little bit of water. And now I'm going to blow a little bit more air into it. You can see the water in it. There's air up here. So I'm going to put the flame on it again, but it shouldn't make the water part pop. But whenever I'll put it up on the air part, it'll pop right away. And as you can see, it completely popped it. Thanks for watching. So some items to note about this experiment was that it takes more energy to heat the water than it did for heating the air, which goes for anything. It takes longer to boil water rather than it getting hot outside. So this is the reason why the balloon with the water doesn't pop right away, but the balloon with only the air does, because it takes longer for the water to get heated than it does for the air to get heated. So what happened? The water was able to absorb most of the heat from the flame, which created kind of like a barrier between the rubber on the balloon and the air, so it was able to cool it. And this heats the water instead of heating the rubber balloon. And as you could see, if there was no water, the balloon rubber heats quickly, and this led to the balloon popping. But what was interesting is it only made a hole right where the flame was. It got black all around, but only made the hole where I held the flame on the balloon just filled with air. Thank you.